Så vi kom ind i Universal, vi kom ind i sådan en turistshop med alle mulige temaer, Chucky og Harry Potter og alt muligt. Prøv lige at følge med en gang her. Der er simpelthen merchandise fra alle de der store film. Harry Potter, Chucky, Frankenstein, you name it, we got it. Altså, når man er inde i Universal, så mener de, det fandme alvorligt. Hogwarts i full size. Prøv lige at se deroppe, i full size. Det er sgu lidt vildt, ikke? Og nu skal vi ind i Universal Studio-turen, hvor der er alle de originale rekvisitter for alle mulige film, de har lavet. Så det bliver meget sjovt. Så skal vi på rundtur. Universal Studio-tur. Den var en time og 20 minutter. Så bliver vi lige angrebet af King Kong og nogle dinosaurer. Prøv lige at kigge med her, det er fandme vildt.
From Back to the Future Part 2. Picture cars, they can be vehicles for characters, of course, but they can also be vehicles for the story. The cars will show up, they'll have different impacts on the story. For example, the flying car from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets from Warner Brothers, that shows up several times in the story. It helps Harry and Ron out of a sticky situation. In the second car, can everybody make sure to remain seated, please? Man standing up with the phone, can you please make sure to remain seated? Speaking of psychopath, hey, there's Norman Bates now. Hey Norman, how's it going? Yeah, you taking care of business out here? Is mom home? Oh yeah, you're just having a good time. Don't let him unnerve you. He's perfectly harmless. What you got there? Nice! No! Norman, hey, chill. Whoa. He lunged right at car 4. That person in the back, ooh, that was a close call. That Norman is a psycho. Pretty plain to see. And speaking of plain to see, the plane you see here, this is a real Boeing 747 airplane that was destroyed for Steven Spielberg's 2005 film, The War of the Worlds, starring Tom Cruise.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Det var så lige Universal Studio Tour, og den var eddermame vildt, mand. Så vildt, at vi blev helt våde. Jeg ved lidt pjæver det Tivoli. Fantastisk. tager vi lige en tur i Nintendo World. Det ser ret hæftigt ud. Det er noget helt nyt, noget de har lavet. Så der skal vi nok få nogle timer til at gå også. Kommer I til Los Angeles, så er det Universal Studio Tours. Lov mig I gøre det. Det er så fedt. I Nintendo World. Lad os se, hvad verden bringer. Så har vi købt en lille donut. Og så dagens oplevelse, dagens tur ud af hotellet til Universal Studios. Og hvis der er nogen af jer, der nogensinde er i nærheden af Universal Studios, så synes jeg, I skulle tage at prøve det, for det var fandme gav mig godt nok lidt en oplevelse. Men man skal komme tidligt, fordi der er rigtig mange mennesker. Vi startede ved 11-tiden, og det var en god ting, fordi et par timer efter, så skulle man stå i kø til mange af seværdighederne og turene, det havde. Men alt i alt en fed oplevelse. Roger over, Roger Glover.